Hey everybody, Flash Tribesman back with another Tribesman Trust. Today we're looking at Good Company, a corporate machinery simulator. Good Company is an in-depth management sim about building a trailblazing tech corporation, assemble complex production lines, manage employee-based logistics and sell high-quality products on the market to become the best company in the whole county. It was released 21st of June, it's had mostly positive reviews, and what I love about this game, it's got a demo. I love demos, because it allows you to have a play with the game before you actually take the plunge and buy it. Now I've already gone in and created a profile. Again, I've not dwelt on this because you can spend ages messing about. I can spend ages with this. So I've just quickly gone through, created a profile. Obviously you can take a lot of time yourself. I'll have a lot of fun with it. Well, there we go. So I've created that. Obviously the demo limits it to the campaign. Let's dive straight in. There's two things I like about new games. It's a good demo and a good tutorial. So we've got a demo, excellent. Fine, in this day and age you can go Steam, buy it and then return it, but I don't like doing that. I think it's just kind of like, I don't know, it's not a library. It's not a video rental store. It's like you pay for the game, otherwise you don't buy it. But anyway, after many years away, you're back in Good County, proud home of Tinkerers and Tycoons. Upon your return, you discover that ruthless global corporations have brought the local industry to its knees. Now your fellow citizens are in need of jobs and someone to offer them a bright future. You've been hired by the Federal Bureau of Industries to get the local economy back on track. Their consultant will contact you shortly. It's got music, but I've muted it all, obviously for copyright strikes and all that kind of jazz. Hello, this is Kerry Goldfield from the Federal Bureau of Industries. I just want to confirm our meeting at your father's garage for the Good Company instructional program. See you there shortly. Okay. Your first profit after less than the basic. So this starts as a tutorial basically. Hello, welcome to Good Company. My account, yep, we know. Ready to begin. Let's start with basic controls. Zoom, okay. Camera pan, okay, fairly standard. To review the information we discuss, click on the manual for quick access, or F1. I'm never going to remember that. Oh, that's that. Cool, excellent. Oh, fantastic. I'm not going to remember F1. Okay, let's get to the next one. Good zoom in and out. Yeah, yeah, okay. We don't want you to get lost on the first level. Yeah, okay. I'll tell you a bit about yourself. Okay. Every player has its own player character, which is always present. You can change the appearance of your player character in your profile. Yeah, we've already shown you that. Player characters function just like any employee characters that appear on the game. They do not require wages. Okay. In free play and in later stages of the campaign, the player character will get additional traits making them better workers and managers. Excellent. Okay. Set player character. Me. Right. Great. Now you've the basis. How about you get some work done? I've already prepared a workplace for you. Okay. You can either assign your player character to work on the table or use a quick hire button to immediately assign a new employee. So if I go, okay, I'm an employee, use a quick hire button. You can only assign qualified idle employees to press and okay, you can also do that, okay. Use employees panel to get an overview of all employees on our staff. Now open the Tinker table. So I now want to go use the Tinker table. Quick hire. Okay, milestone reached. Important proper work to horizontal idle. So what do I do now then? Hang on, so wait a minute, where was it? Hang on, so for view. Okay, how do I do that? Okay, graphics missing. No, but it's first. This assets can be bought on the courier palette, so click at the delivered area. Add an item one, activate buy toggle, best materials. Okay. All purchase sample at the start of each day, otherwise deliveries. Okay. Got it. So let's open the courier panel. Where's the courier panel? Okay. Add a rule. Plastic. Okay, great. Once the material has been delivered, your crafting employee will begin work. Okay. Now the next employee will need a place to put down the finished modules. We have lots of options everywhere. Let's but for now, you'll have lots of options eventually. Okay. The items can be sold on the courier pallets that are located within the delivery area. Okay. Use the sell toggle on an item wall to sell things and adjust reserve space to okay. Okay. Items sold once per week every Monday morning. Got it. Okay. So if I go to here and we go to add a rule, select an item, add a rule, select an item, sell order. Okay. From now on, we are selling modules every Monday morning. Try to sell one plastic case. You can sell the ones you might have. Okay. Okay, so. Okay, so he's gonna. So if I sell order. Okay. So we're now going to fast through to like the week to get to Monday. Okay. How much space has this got on it? 100%. Okay, we're going to sell the whole order. As soon as we get to Saturday, it'll flog them all. Okay. Milestone automatum 3. Let's slow down a second. Right. One step close to success. Isn't it great to have a dependable employee? Okay. Halfway through, it's almost time for us to start building products. We first need to expand our module production a bit. Okay, expand your company by using the construction menu. Okay. Next. Select a piece of equipment from the list and click where you want to place it. You can rotate or use the R key. I do like this. It's very simple. If a piece of equipment has an access point, you need to make sure it's accessible. It's very simple. So, okay, so we need to go here. Let me pause it. Let's go to here, Tinker Table. Okay. Now place we've got to 3. So if I put another rotate, expansion. Our first product, we need 3 different modules. I've given you the LAD. Okay. So if I go to here, and you're going to, okay, if I go to here, Tinker Table, and you're going to, hang on, first, I've given you LED, okay, next, okay. I reckon, okay. So if I go here, modules, instructions, assembly, construction. Okay, so if I and crafting 3 items. So if I go to here now, so we want to go to hang on, level instructions, basic controls. I do like it staff automation or higher, click quick higher button. Okay. Quick higher button, Tinker Table 2, Tinker Table 3. Okay, so right, so let's just go up here again. So if I've done that, components, materials, level instructions, construction, done that, place that. Where has it told you actually how to place an order though? See, I'm not bothered about that. Staff automate. Okay, idle employees, that does that. Set what to craft, hire employees, order materials. Okay. So we what need to do, we need require chemicals, okay. And we want electric parts, okay, chemicals and electric parts. If I now go to here, I want to add a rule. We want components, modules, we want chemical, we want to buy chemical. Yeah, and I want to configure, I want to products, nope. Was it wanted then? Hang on a second, what do I need over here? Hang on. So you require electric parts. Okay, so I go back to here. Electric parts. I go to add a rule, electric parts. Okay. Buy that, and I'm going to add a rule to sell single battery cell. Hang on, no, let's bin that one. And order items and reserve item slots for the modules. Add a rule. Logistics only. This is what I'm craft the listed modules. Let's just craft that for the time being. So you're going to get chemicals. You're going to go and do that. You're going to go off and do that, and then see what happens. I'm somewhat confused about. Oh, right, okay. Add a rule, so we'll use that. Add a rule, do that. Okay. Missing demand. Okay. I think I've got this. Let's speed up a bit. You pop them on there. 2. Okay. Done. So let's slow it down a little bit. Pause it. Fantastic. It's good to see you catching on to these new concepts. I think you're ready to talk about assembling products. Okay. See, selling modules is all well and good, but selling products is a way to go. Products are assembled from multiple modules. Okay. Okay. Assembly. So we need to require this assembly table. Works the same way as crafting. Assembly times are dependent on which modules are being used. Got it. So we need to go to assembly table. And we want to go to assembly table. Now go down, open the handheld tinkering table. Go calculator. Now hit the quick hire. Okay. Notice that cell order is also set to create what's missing is an item rule. Okay, so if I do that, so I get rid of you and I go to here and I go, I'm going to, let me just check this a second. So you require all 3 of them. So what I'm going to do is I am going to bin off you. I am going to add a rule for you. I'm going to add a rule for you, but I'm going to set you to be logistics only. Oh, right, okay. Okay, right, let's move you so it's... Okay, you know I can't, okay. Okay. Well, let's hit fast forward now. Get the hang of it. So they're going to... Okay. So I'm eating some food at the same time. Don't keep me on the time. I've got to do school run later. I've got to do school run at some point. Anyway. Right, okay. Okay, I've done that. Good calc. Okay, we've nearly done that. Okay, let's hit pause. Federal Bureau of Industries, or FBI, as they like to be known, as awarding trophies and awards to show their recognition when completing certain milestones. Earning 1 trophy allows you to move to the next step on your career path. The second, third trophies, additional incentives in case you like an extra challenge. Okay. Make 4,000, making a profit. So if I go like that and pause it, the obvious one would be to increase the production, i.e. have more production lines. So at the moment we've got 6 calculators. Okay. Come Monday, I'll have how much I'm going to make on the Monday. Okay, everything would be you'd increase the different. You'd increase the. What you would. Let's have a look at actually. What's just doing that? Okay, so if we have a look at the production time, that takes 1 day. That takes 1 day. That takes 1 day. The obvious thing would be to do would be to put. Can you? I wonder if you could copy them. Would be to go to the build menu, go to here, and add 3 tinkering tables. You'd go 1, 2, and you would go 3, and then you go to here, and you'd go another production line there. Then you'd go to here. You'd go quick hire, quick hire, quick hire, quick hire. Then you'd go good calculate for you. Then you're going to go, you're going to do that, you're going to do that, and you're going to do that. So in theory, we should produce a lot more. So if I now go on that again, so they'll come in, they'll grab the stuff. So now we should start producing a lot more calculators a lot faster. So I've got 2 production lines coming in. The raw materials automatically come in. You don't have to worry about them. They automatically come in, but in theory we should produce a lot more calculators a lot faster. As we can see, the calculators are stacking up. Congratulations, Mr. Portent. Level returning home. Okay. Your first and most, a new module take care of the solid output. Correct. Okay. Continue playing. Back to campaign map. I'll go back to campaign map. Okay. Charlie Circuits. If I go to there, start this level. Again, I spoke to your father earlier, said you can use old company grounds to cover the basics of the work zones. Okay. So basically, the demo covers the tutorial aspect of the game. So if we back here, are we? Let's pause this a second. Okay. So basically, I just wander around doing the out. It's good to see the company. See you again. Charlie has given me the keys to the old company grounds. Gosh, this feels nostalgic. Let's remember the past. We have a new lesson to learn, and I've prepared several instruction sheets for you again. As you may notice, during this previous lesson, sensitive points can be quite limited and requires you set clear instructions. One of the tools we have available for instructing employees are work zones. By default, every building contains a single work zone, but within building you can edit work zones as you like. Work zones are very useful to structure your company and keep production logistics separate. You can place equipment within work zones, and work zones only exist inside buildings. Right, each building contains one work zone, but you can set up multiple work zones very easily. You can draw new zones on the map. Okay. Work zones can be customizable. Name or colour for the organisation. Interesting. First, open the work zone panel for more details. Okay. Alright, you can see there's already a work zone here. Click on the erase zone and try removing part of the work zone. How far can we go? So I'm going to go like that. Let's go to there. Okay. Most equipment cannot be built inside a work zone. Try to add a new zone. New zones can be added on both empty and already occupied zones. New zone. Add a new zone. So I go to there. Okay. You can extend the existing zone. Choose extend zones. Okay. Oh, I like that. So if I then click on that one, and I could go to that one, extend the zone of that one. I could go like that. Oh, interesting. Okay. I have reset your zones and locked them for now, since I need to explain a few other things to you. You keep editing them later. Okay, when you get back to those work zones. We're missing a delivery area in our main building which contains a zone B. Don't worry about it, there's a small delivery available near, and no delivery building available nearby. Zone A contains 1 delivery areas. Okay. Delivery zone, okay. Note that delivery area is not a zone, but also not the name of a zone. Delivery zones are simply mark the space in a building where you set all your buy sellers and courier pallets. We connect both buildings via courier route, so we can purchase materials in zone A and craft in zone B. Zone A, zone B. Okay. You can build a courier pallets. Now add 1 in each work area. 1 in zone A, 1 in zone B. So I get to build courier pallets. I'm going to set 1 up in and 1 in zone A. Place orders for metal chemicals. Okay, so I go to here. We want metal, chemicals, electric parts, and plastic. Okay. Now add this. Blimey. Now add rules for the same too. So you got, so basically you got to duplicate. You got to duplicate your. Since I wonder, it would be. I wonder if there's a way you could just like duplicate it without having to do that. Very good. Now you have everything set up. Let's get the security of courier routes. Use courier routes to move items between courier pallets across multiple work zones. The courier employees assigned to a route will continuously visit each pallet. Oh, okay. You can add courier routes to each courier routes in the courier routes panel. Add a courier routes to the map by selecting the map. Okay. Right, so if I go up here now, we're going to go from create a new route, and we're going to go from add a courier pallet, route settings. Each courier can handle up 6 item types. At each pallet you can load and unload up. You can load or pick up. You can also assign an amount on each. Okay, set the minimum storage to determine how many items remain on the pallet when the courier's picked it up. Got it. Okay. Plastic. If you want the courier to pick up all materials at zone 8, for that add a pickup action. So you want to pick up action. Now B, you want to unload. Oh, okay. Defined. After this, okay, execute. A quick hire. Okay, so you close the panel now. Okay, right. So now, okay, great job. Let's get back to this advanced crafting, shall we? Yeah, let's do that. Do you know about components? Components are intermediate materials that are crafted from base materials and sometimes other components. They are used to craft more advanced modules. Okay. Not all modules can be crafted from base materials, some require other modules. Okay. Components are more advanced crafting materials. You can sell components, but this isn't always the most practical tactic. You can see spot most components in your green background. Okay. Since we have a little extra space zone B, we could use it for that a tinker table that produces circuit boards. Okay. Reproduce, add a recipe. We want circuit board. Okay. Set production for circuit board, and I want to hire some employee. Quick hire. Very good. We've got all the materials assembly set up for production for each module. You'll need what? Very good. We have all the required modules in materials assembly. Set up the production for each of the modules we'll need for our next product, which is what? I've prepared another checklist for you to complete the task and order you like. We need cases, battery, LED, simple circuits. Okay, so we need four. Right, so we need 4 tinker tables then. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I want to go into there. You're going to produce for me plastic cases, auto hire. How do I get me to do one of these jobs? Workplace. And you're going to produce battery sockets. You're going to auto hire you. You're going to produce that. And I'm going to auto hire you, and you're going to produce that. Okay, warning, insufficient logistics detected, recommend use of shelves. Okay. So so it says, do I need shelves? Okay. Where though? Is it where do I need the corner shelf though? And then I've put the same here. Okay, let's see if that works. Let's unpause it. Oh, this is my little maintenance in mind system which can improve logistics. Okay. Okay. Let's speed that up ever so slightly. I need so hang on. What's my checklist? Hang on. Wait. Hang on. So I'm not done. Is then you go into mine. Okay. Then my bigger point. Until you've quite insufficient with our setups, we can take a dive deeper into logistics. Place shelves in the production so the employees don't waste time carrying items. Twice it can be achieved when employees can access shelves directly. Okay. On shelf items are applied automatically. Got it. So if I go to you lot and I go, how do I get rid of you? I didn't get rid of you, can't get rid of you, so I didn't mean to put you. That was a mistake. Right, it's the shelves. I want a shelf. Okay. You're going to pop that on there. It says I still need some corner shelves there. How do you destroy something you didn't want to put there? Let's look at zone B. How do you erase it? No, that's a zone. Build. How do you destroy something you didn't want? Basic crafting. Okay. Let's go to here now. Now put corner shelf in correctly. Let's go to here and get rid of okay, cool. Let's unpause it. Okay, where? Oh, hang on, that one. Okay. Let's go to here then. Let's go to okay. So work zone with additional shells. I'm not sure what you mean there, game, so I'm going to ignore you. Okay, work zone B. Work zone with additional shelves, pallets required, assigned logistics employees. Okay, hang on. So, do I go in here then? If I go logistics, those shelves are automatically assigned co-afters. Will we organise them? Okay. What we need now is a logistic worker in zone B. Logistics worker will transport tools from the coils and the pallets. Okay. Right. Efficient work zones. I use logistic employees to carry items around. Okay. Hire logistic employees in quick hire function. A selected work zone. Got it. Okay. If I go to selected work zone. If I go to here, quick hire. Ah, that's what we need, I think, he says. Okay, cool. I believe Limo would be great help to you than to me. I will transfer Limo, my user rights to you. Okay. Okay, I'm not sure about that. Affirmative, new owner register. We can set notification settings in the game menu. Now, next stack is run finished production line and look on the building for you. The building is already prepared for production. First, transport all modules from co-pilot to co-pilot C. Hire a logistics worker and an employee who work it out. Okay. Alright, so I need to go now to can I do this now? Work zones. Configure. I want a create a new route from add a courier pallet from pallet A, add a courier pallet B, transport items, and I want that, and I want that, and I want that. This is a pick up, pick up, pick up, pick up, drop off, drop off, drop off, drop off. Okay, auto hire and employ. I do like the auto hire function. Right, I need to come out of that, and then I need to go into here. Into here, he says. Okay, where do I come out? I do this now. Hire logistics person. Come there. Hire setup assembly for the person production. So, personal assistant. Hire an employee. Work area. Here we go. So go on here now. Work zone C. Hire logistic person. There we go. Got there eventually. Okay. Always want to make the right assumption. Want to always make the right assumptions. Which shelf to use? You can see a problem with the uses of shelf at the handheld assembly terminal. Employee at this table would put the finished production on the same shelf to take the materials from. Oh. We want to manually set up. Okay. Okay, you want to manually set up the input and output so you can do this override storage on the panel. So let's just open the handheld assembly table. Okay, let's define. Okay, so input, that one, output, input, output, and go. So can we out the way? So I want to go. Ah, we go. Okay. You're almost done. I suggest observe production for a bit. See how the cash is coming in. Okay. They'll do that. They'll go make something. Pop me suggests I could put another. I wish you could duplicate this entire. I wish you could duplicate this. Just duplicate it and push it out. I wish you could duplicate the whole thing and move it over this way. Okay. Okay. I'll see the production for a bit. Greetings, I have a suggestion. It appears you have access to the work zone mode. If you select work zone, you can hover up the work zone. You can hover over the shelf icons and click on them. Okay, hang on, so okay. Circuit board, okay, so got it, okay. You can see logistics flow between equipment, okay. Okay, that's nice. And you require a simple circuit. Tinkertable, what you're producing a circuit board. Board components. Oh, okay. Right, okay, see one of them. Okay, got it. I can get it. Earn 10,000. I did separate solo, don't I? Add a role. Personal assistant. Okay, that should. So I want to see what I want to do is I want to copy all of these and set the whole thing up again. Because what I want to do is I wish you could copy it. I wish you could just copy it. It would be nice if you could copy it. See, basically, I want to copy this entire production again. Okay, so what we're going to do, we need 5 Tinkertables. We need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need shelf storages, a small corner shelf storage. 1. Continue playing. 2, 3, 4. And then you'd auto assign players to that. You'd go, so then you go that Tinker shelf there, go away, create job here. Last few lessons for today. I've seen you doing so well, which is excited. The next lesson, next one for your product design. Okay, I think that I'm just going to hit pause. If I can find pause, there we go. Okay, so let me do that. Okay. So I'm going to leave that just here. I am going to go up here. I'm going to go in here. Let me know what you think of that. Let me know if you've got the full game and how you found it, because it's a challenging game. Just setting it. It's a case of, I think the challenge is setting up the different production lines and the controlling the flow of the data. Not the flow of the data, the flow of the materials into the right areas. But anyway, let me know what you think of that. I hope you enjoyed that. And as ever, thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks very much. See ya. Bye.